If you want to make sure every new subscriber confirms their email before joining your list, then switching to double opt-in in Mailchimp is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it on step by step so your audience grows more cleanly, your list stays more engaged, and you reduce the chances of fake or mistyped signups. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference for your email marketing. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. The first thing you need to do is go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you want to look for Audience. That's where Mailchimp keeps all the settings for your subscriber list, forms, and contact preferences. Click on Audience to continue. Now that you're in the Audience area, you'll need to open the menu with the 3 dots. This is where Mailchimp hides a lot of the deeper audience options. Click the 3-dot menu, then choose Audience Settings. This will take you to the settings page for your list. On the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you find the Form Settings section. This is the area that controls how people join your list and what kind of sign-up process they go through. Keep scrolling until you see Email Opt-in Settings. Once you find it, click the Edit button next to it. Now Mailchimp will show you the opt-in options for your audience. Here, you want to select Double Opt-in. This means when someone signs up, they'll receive a confirmation email and have to verify that they really want to join your list. It's one of the best ways to keep your list high quality and make sure your subscribers actually want your emails. After selecting double opt-in, don't forget the most important part, saving your change. Click Save Opt-in Setting to apply the update to your audience. Once you save it, Mailchimp will start using double opt-in for future subscribers, and that's it. You've successfully switched to double opt-in in Mailchimp. From now on, new subscribers will need to confirm their email before being added to your list, which is great for list hygiene, deliverability, and building a more engaged audience. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.